In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Shopify store into an app. Transforming your Shopify store into a seamless mobile app can enhance user experience and increase customer engagement, helping you reach a wider audience through mobile devices. So, let's dive into the process and get started on this exciting journey of expanding your online presence. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Apps section in your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your starting point for discovering various tools you can integrate into your store. Now, you'll want to search for a mobile builder app that specializes in taking your Shopify store and creating a customizable app interface from it. There are several options available, and each might offer unique features and benefits like ease of use, customization options, or integration capabilities. Take a moment to explore the app descriptions and user reviews to find the one that best matches your needs for functionality and budget. Once you've decided on the app you'd like to use, click on that search result. You'll be directed to a page where you can begin the installation process. Simply click Install, and in most cases, you'll be prompted to confirm your installation choice again. It's really just a straightforward process, almost like adding a new app on your phone. After confirming, the app will become a part of your Shopify admin, so you'll be ready to move on to the next step. With the mobile builder app installed, the next step is selecting a plan. Most apps offer various pricing tiers. These often range from basic plans that cover essential features to more premium options that offer advanced tools and additional services. Carefully review each plan's offerings and choose one that aligns well with your business needs and expected return on investment. Don't forget to consider things like customer support, as having reliable assistance can be a tremendous help, especially if you're navigating this process for the first time. Having chosen your plan, you'll dive into the exciting part, designing your app. This is where you can let your creativity shine, ensuring the app reflects your brand's identity and appeals to your target audience. Think about your brand's color scheme, typography, and any specific functionalities you want to highlight, such as direct shopping options, communication features, or customer account management. The goal is to create an app that is not only visually appealing but also user-friendly, with a smooth navigation experience that keeps your customers coming back. As you design, regularly preview your app to see how it looks from a customer's perspective. Don't hesitate to make adjustments along the way, remembering that a thoughtful layout thought can significantly enhance user experience. Once satisfied, you're ready to launch your app, making it available for download. And just like that, you've expanded your Shopify store's reach by creating a dedicated mobile app for your business. Well done, and happy selling!